Love it when the timer starts and I'm in the middle of a yawn. Reminder, Wednesday. Unit 1 test on Wednesday. Okay? And so all corrections, formative corrections, homeworks, the green formative assessment, all those also due on Wednesday. After Wednesday, those scores get locked in. Okay? Okay? So, today, we're going to talk about absolute value inequalities. Okay? And we're going to solve absolute value inequalities very much the same way that we solved absolute value equalities or absolute value equations. Okay? So, what I like to do is, again, just like yesterday, start with making, actually here I can write it over here, treat like an equation. Okay? So we're going to solve it very much the same as an absolute value equality. So again, that was make two equations. Solve them both. Check them both. Okay. So, for instance, in this very first one, okay, we would say, yeah, this is, whoa, hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on. Go play. Okay, so it looks like that. So we get x equals positive 4 and x equals negative 4. Haven't done anything different than what we did yesterday, right? Okay, check them. 4, absolute value of 4 is 4. Absolute value of negative 4 is 4. Both are equal to 4. Boom, check, done. Okay, with me? Now, what that is going to create is, I am going to make myself a number line with those two values on there. Okay. Now, my two choices are, it's either going to be a handle or a row the boat. Because that's my two choices with compound inequalities. It's either a handle or it's a row the boat. Right? So you only need to test. That's the kicker now. Now the new thing is you're going to test a zone. Okay? I recommend you be smart with your testing of the zone. Okay? It doesn't matter which zone you test. Okay? If you test a point out here and it's true, then it's a row the boat. If it's false, it's a handle. If you test a point in here and it's true, it's a handle. If it's false, it's a row the boat. If you test a point out here, or test a number out there, and it's true, it's a row the boat. If it's false, it's a handle. Okay? And again, be smart with it. What's the easiest number to test? Even easier than 1. 0. 0 is the easiest number to test. Okay? So when in doubt, wherever 0 falls, the downfall is you can't do one of the two numbers that you have on your number line. You can't test those numbers. Okay? So I would test here 0. If I plug 0 back into my original inequality, absolute value of 0 is 0. And is 0 less than 4? Yes, that is true. So my answer here is going to be in between these two, right? Because that's a true statement. So my inequality then would be, oops, I put the negative and the positive. You guys never even told me that I put the negative and the positive on the wrong side. My inequality would be negative 4 is less than x is less than positive 4. Right? My graph, my finalized graph, just making my sketch graph look even prettier. I would have an open circle and an open circle. Yes, ma'am.
Do you have to rewrite it, or can you include like the number you tested on the graph?
I mean, I'd be okay with it as long as I can clearly decipher and you added open or closed dots, you know?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that's the kickers. You got to add those open or closed dots.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, with me? All right, let's try another one. X is, absolute value of x is greater than 2. So that tells me x is going to equal 2 and x is going to equal negative of, or the opposite of 2. Right? So that's the two numbers that I care about. On my number line. What point do you want to test? Or what number do you want to test, I should say? 0 again. Okay. So if I test 0, absolute value of 0 is 0. Is 0 bigger than 2? No, that's false here now. So since this is false, we're going to go that way and that way. So I get x is less than negative 2, or x is greater than positive 2. And there's my number line. OCD, it's a real thing. Okay? Kick it up a notch. Walk me through it. Okay, what are they?
2x plus 6 equals 6. 2x plus 6 equals 6.
Okay. Oh, I did 0. Oh, come on now. Better than that. Is that better? Okay. Somebody else, talk me through the left one. Solve me the left one. What else?
Okay, so you subtract 6 from both sides.
Okay.
And then you get 2x equals 0.
Okay.
Then you divide by 2
Love it. Somebody else solve me the right one. Go ahead, Jeff. Oops, tap the brakes. 0 and negative 6. I went 0 and positive 6. Love it. Okay. Somebody walk me through the test. Negative 3? You okay with that, Daniel? Walk me through it then. But
You put it.
put negative 3 in my function.
Okay, so then that would be negative 6 plus 6, right?
Okay. What is negative 6 plus 6?
0.
0. Absolute value of 0.
0.
And is 0 greater than or equal to 6? No, that's not. So that tells me that this is
False.
false in the middle. So that means I'm going rowing. Yep, I'm rowing the boat. Okay. All right. So in the end, what is my inequality solution? Go ahead.
It would be x is less than or equal to negative 6, or x is greater than or equal to 0.
It would be. Kind of dots. Closed dots because we have the equals component, and then we're still RTBing. Row the boat in. Yeah, buddy? Love it. Try that one on your own. Oh, look at that. I even gave myself a number line in this one. All right, walk me through it. Shout it out when you think you got it. Don't everybody speak at once.
The answer or like the
No, the steps. We got to walk through the whole problem.
6x plus 4 equals 8, and 6x plus 4 equals stops at 8.
Call on somebody. Okay, which one you want to solve, left or right? Right? Okay. Okay. Okay, love it. Does it check out? 6 times negative 2? Plus 4?
Yeah.
Negative 8? Absolute value? Absolute value of negative 8? 8 equal to 8. Checks out. Love it. Call on somebody. Hey, buddy. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, living the dream. I am up here living my best life.
Oh, yeah?
I got jeans on, comfy top on. I'm good to go, man.
I think your sweater's ugly.
Okay, you can leave.
Why you done?
No kidding. Why can't be all my girl from the other side of the room?
I didn't even see you have that up this morning.
Yeah, good. What are we doing? What are we doing for left one?
Back and forth.
Love it.
We'll get 6x equals 4
Love it.
divided by 6.
Love it.
I simplified it to 2/3.
I would love that everybody would simplify it to 2/3. That would be awesome. We're okay with leaving it in fraction form? Yeah. Yeah, we're definitely okay with leaving it in fraction form. What if we put 0.6 there? I would, exactly. I would rip up the paper and throw it away.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay? Calling somebody?
You don't know.
Okay. Oh, no. Talk to me. Okay. Love it. Which is, again, another reason why we're okay with fraction form, right? Okay. What'd you pick for a test point? You went with 0? Okay. So 0 is actually inside here, right? Okay. So 0 is there. All right. And what did you get? True or false for your test point? You got true? Because 6 times 0 is 0. Plus 4 is 4. Absolute value of 4 is 4. And 4 is less than or equal to 8. So that is true. Yes, I would concur. So that tells me that we're going like that. Right? Okay. Calling somebody? She did. Right to your face even. Okay. The inequality, please.
Okay, so would it be -2 is
Less than or equal to?
x, and then 2/3 is greater than.
Can I write it like that? Okay. So how I read that is -2 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2/3. Okay? Right? Okay. And then, Nick, last one. Kind of dots do I got going on my number line?
Close.
Closed ones. Yep. Bingo. -2, 2/3, closed dot, handle. Love every part of that. Lainey, can I ask you a personal type of question?
Yeah.
Think we're done for the day? Guess what? We're done for the day. Now, I do have a serious question to ask. Would you like the review assignment today, or do you want to wait until Monday? Monday?
Today.
Monday?
Today.
Monday.
Monday's good. Well, because in my brain I'm like shouldn't even ask this question, but my brain couldn't stop my mouth. Because you'll have Monday and Tuesday to do the review assignment. So again, brain didn't stop the mouth. Sometimes they go in opposite directions.
Most of the